All right, everyone. Today I wanted to show you how to continue to set up your Google site page. So after you have created your Google site page, you want to make sure that you have a title, you have names here as well as your class period. And then as you go down and you're scrolling through the layout that you have selected, you'll notice that there's these little plus signs and there's also places for you to edit text. To edit text, it's really easy. You're going to go ahead and just click on that box and you can change the alignment. If it's bold, italicized, you can get rid of it altogether if you want to click on the little garbage can to delete anything. But you can simply type in here. So you can say this invention was first created by, and so on. When you click out of it, it's going to automatically save. So you don't have to worry about having to click save on anything. And in order to insert any type of visual, like you see here on the left, as well as video, you can click on this plus button. There's a couple different places that you can pull visuals from. For example, you could pull it from your actual drive. If you do have a shared, if you have a visual in the drive you would like to use. You can also click on this and click on upload an image from your computer, select an image by going to Google image search. And again, you could type in the name of your invention, like a steam engine. And Google is going to go ahead and pull up a wide variety of different visuals. You can scroll through and select one that you like. It will automatically insert in there. Okay. However, if you decide to do a video instead for how to use this video, right, instead of having this, you would go ahead and, let me change the layout real quick, click that plus button. You would click on the YouTube channel here, and then you're just going to have to go to YouTube, and you're going to have to do a quick little search. So of how does a steam engine work? Because remember, the video that you're putting together is how your invention actually works. You're going to search for it in the YouTube search and you're going to find it right there after pasting the link. Select it and it's going to auto upload that into your site. You would always go ahead and publish it so it's viewable. Click on the publish button, and then all of your work is saved.